Did you know that you can actually invest 300,000 Ugandan shilling and get 2 million or 2 million plus in a period of 3 months? Just 3 months. On a land that is equivalent to only 1 acre. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how, when, and how you can actually achieve this. Well, 2 weeks ago, I think maize, I'm going to be sharing the videos I'm going to be sharing that with you in a minute. So we went and tested our maize that we planted 3 months ago. Now it is almost approximately to 4 months, and guess what, I'm going to be showing you how, because as I was carrying out the activity, I was actually noting out this. It's so unfortunate that I recorded this when we were planting it, but I lost the clips. I really lost the clips and I couldn't find them, so maybe next time it will be better. But anyway, we're going to be talking about a project of maize. Maize, actually, guys, maize, it is profitable. I'm not promising you to be rich. Like, I'm not promising you that you're going to get rich immediately when you start it, but of course it takes you to another level. So most of you, sometimes you've been here and you ask me where I get the money. You say I'm hardworking, but in actual sense, I have so many things that I do outside behind the camera, like things that you don't know. That's why sometimes I share my wins with you, because I feel like if I don't share it with you, like, why are you supporting me? You're supporting me, and I'm not paying you. So I feel like sharing with you my wins, some of my wins. Of course, you don't know me that well to say that you know everything about me. No, I only share what I'm comfortable with. So sometimes I share with you because I want you to get inspired. I want you to pick a leaf, and I want us to grow and level up together. So today we are going to be talking about a maize project that you can plant if you have land. Well, I know some of us, most of us, of course, I know my lovers are not that poor, okay? And even if you don't own a land right now, I know this is going to inspire you to get land in the future. And don't forget that I have a video about buying land and purchasing land. I'm also going to do a video. I'm going to upload another video that is showing how many plots that I have. I have land that I'm selling, and I have around 8 plots right now. And come and support me. They are so cheap, they are affordable, and by chance you could be my neighbors, okay? So anyway, I know most of you, or some of you, have got land, or in the villages you have land, but actually you don't use it for anything, because some of us, we have dreams like starting up a farm, a big farm, a goat's farm. You want to start farming, and you want to maybe start a project that is big in our dreams. Maybe some of you have got land and you want to build your future dream house, but you've not got the money yet. Now, this is a good thing. I promise this is a good deal for you. If you have land and you don't have money yet, I'm going to show you how this land that you have right now can make you money to achieve that dream house that you want or you're planning to have, and how this particular land that you have right now, that small piece of land that you have right now, how you can utilize it and use it to get to actually invest in the farm, in the dream farm that you wishing to start in the future. This land is equivalent to 1 acre, just 1 acre. Hear me well, just 1 acre. And if you have more than that, trust me, you have higher chances. You have higher chances of being better than me, or doing better than me, or actually gaining higher than I gained or we gained in this project. So you should start immediately after watching this video. Now, this maize project that we did, it was 3 months ago, and it is a maize project, and it's equivalent to 1 acre. The cost of the land, already the land was bought a long time ago, and we decided to try out this project, and boom, it worked. So we are hoping to start another one immediately. So the maize, now I'm going to be telling you the costs that we incurred and how much at the end, how much we gained. Now, in a land that is equivalent, in a plot that is equivalent to 1 acre, you can actually buy maize, the seedlings, or I don't know whether they are called the seedlings, the seeds or the seedlings that you're going to actually plant. You can buy 10 kilograms in an acre. Each kilogram is at 3,000. Now that is the highest quality. Okay, now the lowest quality you can actually get it at 2,000 to 2,500, and that between 2,000 to 3,000. So we opted for a good quality, a better one, because of course we wanted to gain, not to make a loss, and you didn't want to complain after harvesting it and then we got poor products. Hope you get that. So you can get maize at 30,000, that is 10 kilograms, and each kilogram is at 3,000. You can go lower than that, or you can be in that range, or higher, slightly higher than that. And then the farmer, someone who's going to take care of it, someone who's going to plant that, well, the best thing you can do, because you personally, you may not have the time to be there. First of all, you need to get someone who's going to be taking care of that land, someone who you trust, someone they just need a place to maybe put their cassava, like a few plants where they can get food to eat and survive. So because when they do that, at the end of the day, they end up getting money, and they also get food. Okay, so you're feeding them and you're paying them. So for starters, you need to get someone who is going to plant for you that, and someone he's taking care of his plantations in your garden. He's also taking care of the maize that he plants. So the range of the farmer, it is between, actually sometimes you don't even pay them, as long as they can use partly of your land. So the range is in between 50,000 to 100. They don't exceed that. Of course, you get someone from the village, because muchibuga, in a town, you're not going to get someone who likes digging and taking care of that. They don't like farming, so it's better outsource for someone who is in the village. So it's between 50 to 100. Let's say 100, and then you have to get food, insecticides are sometimes a problem. So at around 1 month, you have to get, I don't know how it's called, a dagala liver food, and then they spray on the plantation so that they don't get spots or they don't be eaten by insecticides. Okay, another thing, so that can cost you 50,000 for an acre. 50,000. And then, so when we come to now, those 3 months are done, and when it comes to harvesting, of course, in an acre, if you want to do it just one day, you're going to get approximately 15 people, or even 10 people might be enough. Well, they charged us 1,000. And some people can even go lower than that. Some people can charge you 500, 700, but it depends on the boss you have, of course. So we didn't want them to complain. We gave them 1,000 for, like, they were asking for 800, but it was okay for us to add 200 Ugandan shillings because it can make a difference for someone. So we included, like, we used 15 people to harvest that maize. It was just one day, actually half a day. We used 15 people and we gave them 1,000 for every hour. They used 5 hours and it was equivalent to 80,000. Okay. And then when we came to sharing, this is the process where you actually you're removing the corns from that thing. I don't know, it's called the chikongolilo mu Uganda. In my language it's called the chikongolilo. I'm going to be showing that. If when you're removing the corns, they use a machine. Now I don't know how that machine is called, because even the owner didn't know how it's called, but let's call it a grinding machine. However, I don't think it's the one. It's like a machine that is used to, like, for coffee, to hurry coffee. But this one, they put the maize in and then it lets out the corns this side, and then each Congolese the other part, the unwanted part the other side. So that were charged 1,500 per bag, like the finished bag. And then we got 20 bags. Each bag was like, it was containing 100 kilograms. You're going to be seeing them on the screen. 20 bags, and every bag was containing 100 kilograms. That means 20 bags, it had 2,000 kilograms. Those are 2 tons. Now that was 30,000 after removing that. So we're just taking, and all that was done in the garden. They brought the machine and everything was done from there. We just packed and took our maize and we left the garden without the rubbish and all that. So altogether the costs were 290,000. You know, we've not even reached 300,000. Now after, because that maize is dry, at this point it is dry, but of course you have to put it under the sun for like 3 days or maybe a week. And after a week, now we took home 2 tons, that is 1,000 kilograms. And then after drying it, we got 1.5 thousand kilograms, 1.5 tons. Okay, so now at this point maize is at this point right now, maize, you can find it at between 1,300 to 1,400. Now you can actually wait for the season to go high, like for them to high kick, because in most cases when it is just starting, it has at 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, and then it goes out. Sometimes it goes out to up to 1,500. Now here we are going to count, because we sold it at 1,000. We sold it at 1,400. 1,400 times 1.5 thousand kilograms. So after we sold our maize at 1,400, we were remaining with 1,500 kilograms. We sold it and we got 2.1. Now 2.1, you actually have to subtract the incurred cost, which I told you it was 290. Yeah, 290,000, approximately 3,000, and the balance is 1.8, roughly 1.8 after a period of 3 months. After actually 1.8, and you just invested 290,000. And guys, another thing, we used to have long ago you used to have like 1 to 2 seasons in a year, but right now you can actually like have 3 seasons in a year. 3. If you have water, you have water to water the plantations and all that. If you have nice land and soil, of course nothing is going to prohibit you from carrying out this activity like 3 times a year. Okay, so just imagine getting 1.8 in after 3 months. Just imagine you having 2 acres. It means you're going to have, if you have 4 acres, of course you're going to have more than that. Or you understand? So guys, if you have land that you're not utilizing right now, that land can help you generate the income, like the income and the money you want to use, and it can actually support the projects that you want to do in the future. So I wanted to share that, and I think it was going to be mean of me not to share that, because of course I was going to include this in the vlog, everything in the vlog, but I was like, why can't I do a sit down and share with my people, because you've supported me and at least you have to gain something from me. You don't have to support me every time when I'm not giving back anything. So if you have land, or if you're planning to buy land and you don't have money to build yet, you can actually go for these projects, small projects, but they can actually generate money that you wouldn't even think of getting within at that period of time. So that's what I had for you today, and I hope you got something. Until now, kindly go ahead and subscribe and like the video, because you guys forget to like, and that is so bad. But anyway, I appreciate the support. Like the video, and you can drop any question that you have. I'll be in position to answer you, as I always do, in the comment section. And I hope you try out this, and yeah, I wish you well. Bye.